So I did my fall cleaning today. Cleaned everything in every corner of my little side of the room. Because, my husband's got the other side. But yeah, I put the box that my daughter drew for me up there. And then my other Louis boxes up there. My hats are on top of my hair dryer. Those two bags are the bags that my mother-in-law gave me. And they are too big for the little dresser thing that my husband put together. My husband said that the dresser thing is cheap. I paid less than $200 for it though, but I thought it should be kind of like good, but he was like, this is a mess. But it's standing up straight and it's fine with me. So yeah, those are like my wear out shirts. And then my underwear drawer, and then my leggings are right there for work, and then my work sweatpants are right there, and then my work shirts are really organized right there, and then those are some shirts that I don't wear. What's in there? Oh, some belts that very rarely get worn too, and then all of my jewelry all organized with the lights that I put up. Yeah, so I've been doing my daughter's hair today, retightening it, and we've been talking about the 14-year-old that was found in the trunk of the Tesla, and those are my sunglasses, and my daughter is 14, so it kind of hits different, because sometimes if you don't see someone in your age range, go through something, then you feel like, oh, it can't happen to people my age. We're too young. We're too great. We're too invincible. But yeah, this is definitely a teaching moment. I hate that someone had to go through something so bad for it to be a teaching moment. But yeah, this is a lot. But yeah, that's my Speedy 30 in the back with the monogram. And my niece, BB, and they're all kind of like the barrel-shaped bags at the top. And then I did like my wallets and my lightweight bags in the middle. Because like I said, I don't know how much weight this glass thing can hold. I got it from Amazon. Yeah. And if I'm not mistaken, it had like 50-pound weights on both of the shelves. And then the top, it said, do not put a TV or something like that. But yeah. And then those are like the free little samples that I'm getting when I go to Belk to get the Clinique stuff for our face. And then those are the towels that I use to wash my face. And it's running low. But yeah, that's my girlfriend. April. And that's my dad on the right. And those are the only two clean face thingies. Because I have to clean brushes and I have to clean sponges today. But yeah, I eventually did it. Everything else is all organized. And then look how tight my closet is. That's why I had to have all that stuff in our actual room, because this is my closet. I put a light right there under that acrylic shelf. Is it called a shelf? I mean, it's like it's a stand. It's an acrylic stand. So yeah, those are my sweaters right there. Some belts. And then those are pants and shorts. Look how tight it is. Look, his stuff is on my back when I'm just in the closet. Yeah. So those are my coats. All of my coats. And then those are some bags. And those are some Chewbacca shoes up there. And those are my Louis Vuitton boots. And those are my Timberland boots. And those are my dresses. I get so irritated when I'm in there by myself. That is the tightest little area. And Lord knows if he come in there, I really get an attitude. So yeah, I had to read the directions to figure out how to work that brush cleaner. And then I just attached my portable charger to it.